Across Maryland, thousands of families live in neighborhoods governed by homeowners associations, private corporations that can fine, lien, and even foreclose on homes. But unlike other powerful entities, these associations operate with no independent state oversight. That's a serious legal gap, one that Maryland lawmakers can and should fix. Under Maryland Real Property 11B 117, an HOA may place a lien for unpaid assessments, and under 14204, that lien may be enforced by selling the home. This means a private board can initiate foreclosure with limited external review, even though the association isn't a government body. While state law provides procedures, there's no independent agency ensuring fairness, consistency, or accountability in how these powers are used. Homeowners often face a costly choice: pay questionable fees, or fight through lengthy private litigation. Other states recognized this issue years ago and acted. Nevada created its Office of the Ombudsman for Owners in Common Interest Communities in 1997, under NRS 116.745, 116.795. It educates homeowners, mediates disputes, and investigates violations. Colorado launched its HOA Information and Resource Center CRS 1210-801-8SEQ, which tracks complaints and improves board compliance. Virginia established a Common Interest Community Ombudsman in 2008, VARN Code 55.123162319, requiring HOAs to adopt a written complaint process and submit to oversight. And in 2024, Minnesota lawmakers introduced House File 3081, proposing a Common Interest Community Ombudsperson under the Department of Commerce to mediate, educate, and issue compliance findings. These states have proven that ombudsman offices make communities more transparent, reduce litigation, and protect homeowners without over-regulating associations. Maryland can, and should, become the next model state for HOA accountability. With over 6,000 active HOAs and more than 1.3 million homeowners affected, Maryland already has the administrative foundation, through its Attorney General's Office and County Consumer Protection divisions, to establish a statewide ombudsman. This office could mediate disputes before they escalate, enforce record-keeping and due process standards, track violations and recurring abuses, provide clarity and education for both boards and residents, protect housing stability while reducing court congestion. This isn't about attacking HOAs, it's about ensuring they operate fairly, transparently, and within the law. An ombudsman office wouldn't remove HOA authority, it would reinforce accountability. It gives homeowners a neutral place to resolve conflicts and gives honest boards the confidence that fair standards apply to all. In 2025, Maryland lawmakers introduced House Bill 1534, which sought to increase HOA transparency. That was an important first step. The next is clear. Establish a Maryland HOA Ombudsman Office, modeled after the proven systems in Nevada, Virginia, Colorado, and Minnesota. By doing so, Maryland can set a national precedent, showing that housing freedom and accountability go hand in hand. Homeownership should mean freedom, fairness, and peace of mind, not bureaucracy without oversight. It's time for Maryland to lead, protect homeowners, and build trust in community living again. This channel is dedicated to civic education and housing reform awareness. If you believe in transparency, accountability, and homeowner rights, because accountability shouldn't stop at your property line. This video is for educational and civic awareness purposes only. It discusses publicly available laws and policy models from multiple U.S. states. It does not provide legal advice, and it does not make any claim or accusation against any specific homeowners association, management company, or individual. If you're facing an HOA issue, please consult a qualified attorney or your state's Consumer Protection Office for personalized guidance.